down to the ground. You're dragging me, it's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain.
Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I want to introduce to you this color. I've actually introduced this style to you before. It's a no frontal, no closure baby hair wig. So I really wanted to try it in this color, number 30. So if you want to make for yourself, if you want to order it, if you want to make it for your client, it's number 30. And I always just use this color as a highlight on most of my wigs, but I've never made it in this plain color. So just comment down below guys if you love it, if you love the color, if you love this style. And then if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below and my website as well, so you can contact me and I'll send them to you. I'm also thinking of making color number 27. I've never made color plain number 27. I always just use it like as an highlight. So guys, just comment down below if you love this style, if you love this color. Okay,
It sets me free.
It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth.
guys, for this style, I know most of my clients have been asking me which oil they can use. You can just use any spray. You can use olive oil as well. It won't tangle. And honestly, I really love the color. So what do you think guys? Just comment down below if you love this color and if you love this style as well.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me